See, he just turned his light off. I mean his car lights off. He's back here again slamming the freaking door. He must have just drove off. Yeah, there he goes over there. But I see you narcissistic, retarded perps thumbing down all my videos. My video about the police sirens or whatever, fake emergency sirens. That must be a threat to y'all, that it made y'all that angry that y'all want to give that a thumbs down. And they wait till later to try to huddle together and try to thumbs down, do massive thumbs down on my video about the farina breakfast earlier. I mean, there was only one idiot gave me a thumbs down. And then later on, it's like they come later on and now I got more thumbs down on that video. And I know who's doing it too. So for them to get mad, or they think it's funny to try to thumbs down, a video of me exposing being tortured and abused and harassed. They even not long ago had some harassment with the police sirens, and they've been doing that all day. But they're giving me unfair thumbs down on purpose to try to sabotage and suppress the truth getting out.